Oh, Jesus. Oh, I ain't got no room in here. So what we're going to do today is I've got an Arbor press, and I was going to mount this on the wall like the other tools that I have mounted. But the problem is the weight. The weight of this press is too much for my vise mounts for the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. It looks pretty simple to put together. It's a Dayton Arbor press. It's a 2-ton, which will be enough to press all the bearings for any four-wheelers, motorcycle wheels, but we won't be able to probably get a motorcycle wheel on there. But just small stuff. We'll be able to crimp wires, real thick wires, and put terminals on the end of it. And just about anything that I need. And I'm actually just going to mount it to the top of this. I was going to mount it to the stainless steel top, but I've got all the computer stuff going on that stainless steel top. So I want to keep that top clean. And then if I need to work on something, I'll just come back to the back of the shop. But this ought to be pretty easy to hook up. We're going to drill 2 holes, put 2 bolts in it, maybe 3, and then just mount it to the top of this. But the Dayton was rated really good. There's a lot of cheap Arbor presses out there. If I have a link, I actually believe I bought this off of eBay, not Amazon or an Amazon affiliate type program. But if I have a link, I'll put it in the description below. But this was rated one of the cheapest, best Arbor presses for 2-ton that you can buy. So that's why I decided with, and it was under $100. Okay, have to put my glasses back on, and it appears that this is our handle here, and it just has 2 Allen keys on the ends, which are going to take off the ends here. So we'll just need to take one end off. I actually cut my hands up today. Whoa, okay, what's going on here? Actually, we'll take both of these off. I probably should have read the instructions, but it looked pretty basic. There we go. I thought it was supposed to go all the way through. Must have been just a little bit of metal on there keeping it from going through. Then we'll just tighten our end pieces back up. Oops. Put our other piece on here. Okay. Well, definitely probably going to have to remove one of the shelves here. Pretty straightforward here on this. You've actually got a woodruff key on the end here to mount the wheel. It looks like that just slides in place. On the wheel, you can see the cutout for it. So we'll go ahead and slide the piece on. Guess we'll just put our handle on. And then we'll come back and tighten the nut on the end of there. And this turn knob will go here to lock the adjuster. Okay. It appears that this nut is an 11/16 on this side. So we'll just tighten it up. Then we just have to tighten our grub up here to lock the wheel on the shaft and push it all the way in here that you can get it. And then we'll tighten the grub down. Oh man. Okay. I guess I actually would prefer it over here on this side. That way if I need it, I can have leverage on this side. No, maybe I want it on the other side. Ugh. Actually, I think I'm going to mount it on this side. I think this is the side. Already scratched the whole wood top up over there. Just makes more sense to run it on this side. Okay, so I went ahead and got some of these bolts that I was using. I actually got these bolts from the pallets that my toolboxes came in. So we'll use those bolts. And I'm just going to take a hammer and a punch, and I'm just going to mark where I'm going to drill these holes. And then I'll drill the holes here. I've got this centered where I want it. Yep, well, then now we'll drill the holes. I'm just so ready to be done with all of this garage stuff. And I hate dragging this out, but hopefully I think I got the right bit. I don't think that hole's big enough. Oh, hell no, that hole ain't big enough. Well, we'll go get another bit here. Ready to get some new power tools. Holy shit, it got a splinter. Let's get this back up here. ahead and get our bolts put in there. Well, that's tight. Then we'll go to the other side and put the nuts on it. I lost a washer. Oh, you. There we go. What in the world? Torque it too much. Oh, great. Can't even get the impact on it. There we go. I'm gonna have to get my impact sockets out. Okay, so there you have it with the Dayton 2-ton Arbor press installation. So we'll be able to do a lot of things with these. I've never really had one, but I have used one before. So it'll be kind of nice to have in the little, what I'm calling my shop. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for everybody for bearing with me for the garage rebuild series. And we'll be back to moving, hopefully, with the power sports stuff here pretty soon. It's just, man, when you lose everything in 2020 and you come into 2021 and you only have $3 in your bank account for 3 months, it's very difficult to do things. So thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, whatever. I'm out of here.